Good morning, students. Welcome to LP Savani Riverside School, Daboli, Surat, Standard 8, Chapter number 8, Comparison of the Quantities. In previous lecture, we learned about exercise 8.2 up to question number 2. In this lecture, we start with question number 3. A shopkeeper buys 80 articles for rupees 2400 and sell them for profit of 16%. Find the selling price of the one article. So in answer number 3 we have to learn about, first of all, write the given data which is given in the question. Number of articles, that is a 18. So here number of articles which is given by the shopkeeper, that is a 80. Then after cost of price of the articles, so here cost price of the article, that is a 2400, and sell them for the profit of the 60%, and here the profit of the 60%. Find the selling price of the one part article. Here we have to find the selling price of the one article. For that, then the cost price of the article is rupees 100, and then sell price, that is 100 plus 16, that is a 116. So here if we assume that the cost price of the article is 100, then the 60% is profit, then our selling price is 116. So we have to cost price of article rupees 1, then the selling price is 160 upon 100, but we have to find with rupees 2400. So let's we compare the both. Cost price of the one article rupees 1, then the selling price is 116 upon 100, then the cost price of the article is 2400. Here we have to make cross multiplication. Here multiply 2400 with 116, divide by 100 and divide it with the help of 1. So it is 2400 multiplication with 160 upon 100, here 1. So they not write 1 here. So our answer is 2784. Hence selling price of the 80 articles is equal to rupees 2784. Therefore selling price of the article 1, that is the 2784, because total number of articles are 80 and we have to find the price of one article, so that is a 34.80 rupees each. Okay. Question number 4. In this question, the cost price of an article was 15,500. So 15,500 is the cost price of an article, and rupees 450 were spent on its repair. So we have to repair cost, that is a rupees 450 over here. If it sold for a profit of 15%, find the selling price of the articles. So CP is equal to 15,500 and repair cost, that is a rupees 450. Therefore the total cost price is equal to 15,500 plus 450, so 15,950. Then the CPB rupees 100, then SP is equal to 100 plus 15 over here. So 100 plus 15 is equal to rupees 115. Then when CP is rupees 100, then the SP is equal to rupees 150. So if the cost price is 100, then the selling price is 115. Okay, because 50% is profit, we have to add from that. Then after rupees, if we take the recipe is equal to 1 rupees, then the selling price is 150 rupees by 100. So 150 rupees by 100, multiply that with the 15,950, that is given by 18,342 plus 50 into 50. This simplification is in your homework, so you have to try. First multiplication with 115 with 15,950, then divide it with the help of 100. Okay. Then question number 5. In question number 5, a VCR and a TV where we bought for rupees 8,000 each. The shopkeeper made a loss of rupees 4% on the VCR and profit of 8% on the TV. So find the gain or loss percentage on the wall transactions. So here cost price of the VCR is rupees 8,000 and cost price of the TV, that is a rupees 8,000. So the next total cost price of the both articles are 8,000 plus 8,000. So these both are the having same. So 8,000 plus 8,000, that is a 16,000. Now VCR is sold at the rupees 4%. So CP of each articles be rupees 100. Then SP of VCR is equal to 100 minus 4 is equal to 96. So here we have to just minus the CP, VCR cost, which is 4%, that is loss. So we just deduct the loss from the total value. So total value we assume about 100 minus 4, that is a 96. So CP is rupees 100 and SP is 96. When CP is rupees 1, then the SP is equal to 96 upon 100. So when CP is 8,000, then SP is equal to 96 upon 100 multiplication with 8,000. Okay, so 96 upon 100 multiplication with 8,000 and divide by it with 100, because we have to find the price on the base of the rupees 8,000. So here we got the 7,680, and TV is sold at the profit, which is selling price of that is 100 plus 8, because 8% profit we have to add in the 100. So the selling price is rupees 108. Then the when CP is rupees 1, then the SP is equal to 108 upon 100. Okay, so the next, so when CP is 8,000, then the SP is equal to 1 into multiplication with 108, then divide it with the 8,000. So it gives us 8,640 profit total rupees. Okay, so then the total SP is equal to 7,680 plus 8,640, that is a 16,320. So SP minus CP, because here SP is greater than CP, selling price is greater than cost price, so there is profit. If the cost price is greater than the selling price, that is a loss. Here we got the profit. How much profit? Let's we find. Therefore profit is equal to SP minus CP is equal to 16,320 minus 16,000, that is a rupees 320, and profit percentage is equal to profit, that is a 320 upon cost price, that is a 16,000, and multiplication with 100, which gives 2% of the profit for each. Let's we understood question number 6. In question number 6, during sale, a shop offered a discount of 10% of the mark price of all the items. What would a customer have pay for pair of the jeans marked at rupees 1,450 two shirt marks at rupees 854 each. So this example you have to try in your homework, and in next lecture I will learn you this chapter. Okay, thank you so much.